Makhan Union President Henry K. Henney claims Makhan villagers have never inhabited on Maram territory nor paid any land taxes. Members of Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur announced mass casual leave on September 24 and 25 in demand for 7th UGC pay scale. And Ministry of Sports announces creation of 20 national centers of excellence, including in ball and groom athletes for 2024 and 28 Olympics. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Laithangma Monica with the latest news updates. Makhan Union President Henry K. Henney has refuted that Makhan villagers have never inhabited on the territory of Maram village, nor have they paid any land taxes. He has claimed that those recently burned down 10 houses of Makhan village existed even before Minister Kayeshi contested in the last election. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Henry refuted yesterday's statement of Northern Maram People's Organization regarding the fire incident that occurred on September 17 as unfounded. Maintaining that Maram and Makhan are two neighboring villages, he asserted that Makhan villagers have never trespassed on Maram's territory, and the same is proved by the hearings on 5 different cases since 1905 till date. Henry claimed that the recently set ablaze houses were constructed 10 years ago. President of the Makhan Union demanded the state government to act swift in punishing those involved in the malicious act, as NMPO has already claimed responsibility for the same.
Aduga khabarda amar khaibiso minister gaiso na laga jumsi sahanbani mana iran si thongkhanbani khotpani hana khabarda so allegate tawi hairo chakhiba jumsi mi chahi tara nipan mapan tara leiraga dukan todun leira bunni minister gais na saba jum mana saro hana saba jum nate madi ngarang lahanda kawni sabdi chahi jum mi leibisi di chahi nipan mapan sure aduga hoji thoki ba main thoki ba thodok aduga maram bazar gi mapanda jum amani nobody sai adudi minister na sai hebdi langini aduso mi lampu gi mi singna changla ga sai maram na akhoi gi lamni haibu wani akhoi gi lamni hebi court ki order mayama mana praman on akhoi gi lamni aina lampu amani na sai aduna taba topa anoba jumso susa sadi.
Meanwhile, Makhan People's Organization has claimed indefinite ban on National Highway No. 2 Imphal-Dimapur Road from this midnight against government's failure to name those culprits who have set ablaze houses near Makhan Bridge in Senapati district on September 17. Distraught with government's failure to give 7th UGC pay scale, members of Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur (FEGOCTA) has announced mass casual leave on September 24 and 25. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, teacher members of the association warned that they will hold protest meet on September 26 at Kesampat Lemajam Lekai Community Hall, followed by sit-ins at their respective colleges on September 27 and 28 if the government failed to pay heed to their demands. They further warned to go on cease work strike starting October 3 if the government has failed to meet their demands. It may be recalled that the Education Minister has assured to members of the association to look into the demand during their meeting in December last year.
Experience hoigi tha mapan muk sujale adu ekoi de nungai taba mana ekoi atop state government employee gi di 7 pay se chanari ni haidana hoigi 11 July da order chi thokre ado koina hangjaningi da college uja singsima koina yaw de haina thambirame ado koi yawhon biu aduga UC gi matungina atop state haiba tare assam gu madde koi uja sing strike togdana koi 1st April 2016 dagi 7 pay gi area yawna pi khre ado mamang da so koi se tha taum doi handana pi aduga tolopsu mayam aina yam koina uja mo yam nungai jadaba si karigino koi da uja sing yam tathi dawin tawse koi sahi mapan 9 years se hoji bawa koi gi tolopsu sudana pi aduna koi na masi yamna upai leitadana last option waina sigi education gi action program sing sit tawjage haina lokthok chabani mayam do
CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam has appealed to intellectual youths of Manipur to take up enterprises in the state instead of seeking jobs outside. Speaking at the launching program of a mobile Android app called eTabak, organized by LMP Technology Private Limited, Khan Naurim Lekai at Manipur Press Club today, Minister Karam Shyam assured that the government will provide necessary assistance to those who take up enterprises in the state. He also stressed on the utility of internet in making life easy in the modern age. The newly launched mobile app will give updates on various private and government job openings in Manipur and other states.
Technology singse 100% madugi kanabadu akoina lawbu ngamaba adu itardi ngasigi pitribigi chaukhallaba internet ki jogsida akoi narol singna adi tungda lehobu yadabagi tanja lakpanina na khuding mo masigi advantage lawna naba honaragadaba matamni adu karigumba kanda adi lailai su haiba narol singna adi madugi challenge sida yaurga laibagi mota nisha sadana adagi yu takdana di laithuagadi akoi horaiba narol singsina tungi mirolna pitribi laiba onba ohomba sida compete toba adi ngamdabagi adi tanjado akoida lakani.
Registrar of Cooperative Societies Manipur, Robert Ketrimayum, has warned that non-functional cooperative societies existing in the state will be identified and scrapped off very soon. He was speaking at the one-day seminar on empowering people through digitalization of cooperatives organized by Manipur State Cooperative Union at Laishram Leirak Community Hall in Lamphel today. Registrar Robert asserted that efforts will be made to further enhance the fully functional cooperative societies of Manipur. He maintained that computerization of the societies is almost 95% completed and works will initiate to identify and annul non-functional societies. Speaking on the occasion, Vice President of Manipur State Cooperative Union, Zina Potsangbam, stated that the seminar aimed to bring collaboration between societies inside and outside the state. Gracing the event as the chief guest, Corporation Commissioner H. Gyan Prakras stressed on the need to put in personal efforts to develop cooperative societies instead of merely waiting for funding from the government.
Isa isagi khallaga kanna honabiu thawai yauna pukchen sengna cooperative society to chawkhalakani society to chawkhalaba matungda state su adugi kanaba adum phangani
koi state Manipur pikarwa Manipur state sida more than 10,000 cooperative society lai whereas Himachal Pradesh akoi dingin chaurwa Himachal Pradesh harba state sida 5,000 something kak lai cooperative society singse adu koi lairiba more than 10,000 si loina mathau tawra bravo database ama semaga district singdagi pilot project oina masak nairaba singsi aidi khara hena koigi mangjin thana district ta lairiba singji financial gi moigi balance sheet oiro performance oiro loina masi assessment tawraga koina hand holding gi type ta koina khara khut sambagi type ta koina masi hona na ba ina district cooperative office na koi sir commissioner gi lamjing makha da koi hona na ba ina koi kanna koi hona jari.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on election fever in Maharashtra as strongmen from various parties have started their election campaign. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon News. In Maharashtra, the election fever is gripping up as strongmen from various parties have started their election campaign. Nationalist Congress Party Chief Sharad Pawar addressed a rally in its bastion Satara. While addressing the rally, he said people in Maharashtra are not happy with the ruling BJP-led government in the state. The state is facing the fury of drought, flood and recession, and the present condition is favorable for the transformation in the state. NCP leader Ajit Pawar addressed party workers' rally in Pune and sharply criticized the ruling government in Maharashtra. Shiv Sena Youth Wing Chief Aditya Thackeray attended party workers' rally in Mumbai. Many NCP workers, including former corporator Ratna Mahale and Arun Mishra, joined Shiv Sena during the rally. Meanwhile, NCP is scheduled to release its election manifesto for the assembly elections in Mumbai today. BJP leader and Chief Minister of Maharashtra Devendra Fadnavis will address a press conference in Mumbai. The upcoming Maharashtra Assembly polls is on October 21 and the poll counting is on October 24. The Ministry of Sports will create 20 national centers of excellence to groom athletes for 2024 and 28 Olympics. Its center of excellence will offer funds for 4 to 6 specific sports. The new scheme will ensure that athletes in the same premises have access to similar facilities, unlike before. Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Kiran Rijiju, said standardizing training on campuses will enable athletes to attend much higher performances in their respective sports. In a tweet, he urged the state governments and corporates to develop sports centers. 20 Sports Authority of India SAI facilities have been identified as national centers of excellence. The centers are in Patiala, Trivandrum, Chandigarh, Sonipat, Lucknow, Guwahati, Imphal, Kolkata, Bhopal, Bengaluru, Mumbai and Gandhinagar, Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Indira Gandhi Stadium, Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium, Dr. Karni Singh's Shooting Range, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Swimming Pool Complex, all in Delhi, National Water Sports Academy Khelo India Aleppe, National Boxing Academy Khelo India Rohtak, National Wrestling Academy Khelo India Aurangabad. Director of College Development Council, Manipur University, Professor T.H. Ratan Kumar kicked off Manipur University Inter-College Kabaddi Men and Women Tournament 2019-2020 at the university campus today. Manipur College Impala organized a 3-day tournament under the aegis of Manipur University Sports Committee, Kanchipur. Head of Manipuri Department, Manipur University, Dr. K.H. Joy Chandra, Associate Professor of the Department of Mathematics, N.G. Manoranjan, and Principal of Manipur College, Dr. R.K. Radhakishore, attended the event. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Makhan Union President Henry K. Henney claims Makhan villages have never inhabited on Maram territory nor paid any land taxes. Members of Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur announced mass casual leave on September 24 and 25 in demand for 7th UGC pay scale. And Ministry of Sports announces creation of 20 national centers of excellence, including Imphal and Guwahati centers, to groom athletes for 2024-28 Olympics.